Hello students, how are you? Again welcome to my class. Now today we will discuss about some problems from exercise 7.5. Your question number 1 is write these fraction appropriately as addition or subtraction. My dear student, as you are looking, this is question number 1a. In question number 1a, there is 3 rectangular block. Okay, that means this is first rectangular block, this is second rectangular block, and this is third rectangular block. As you are looking in first rectangular block, okay, in this first rectangular block, divide into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First rectangular block divide into 5 equal part. Okay, and out of these 5 equal part, only one blocks are shaded. So fractional part of shading portion is 1 upon 5. Fractional part of shading portion is 1 upon 5. Okay. Now this is the blank. This is second rectangular block. Second rectangular block divide into 5 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second rectangular block divide into 5 equal part, and out of these 5 equal part, only 2 blocks are shaded. So fractional part of shading portion is 2 upon 5. Okay. Then after, this is third rectangular block. Third rectangular block divide into 5 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third rectangular block divide into 5 equal part, and as you are looking, out of these 5 rectangular block, equal part. Okay. Out of these 5 equal part, only 3 blocks are shaded. So fractional part of shading portion is 3 upon 5. Fractional part of shading portion is 3 upon 5. As you are looking, this is 1 upon 5, this is 2 upon 5, and this is 3 upon 5. As you are looking, in all these 3 fractions, denominators are 5. That means all these 3 fractions are like fraction. That's why denominators are equal. But in this question, what we will find out? This is 1 upon 5, blank space, 2 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Your question is write these fraction appropriately as addition or subtraction. That means in this blank space, which sign will come here? This is 1 upon 5, blank space, 2 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. So which sign will come here? You know very well, denominators are same in all these 3 fractions. Denominators are same in all these 3 fractions. Okay. So which sign will come here? This is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. So obviously it is very clear to you which sign will come here. That means there will be plus. That means 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 1 plus 2 upon 5. that means 3 upon 5. So which sign will come here? That means in blank space there will be plus sign. My dear student, let us we will discuss about question number 2. Question number 2a. This is 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18. That means how we will solve this type of problem. As you are looking, this is 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18. Okay. As you are looking in these two fraction, denominators are equal. In these two fractions, denominators are equal. That is 18. That means these two fractions are like fraction. That's why denominators are same. Okay. Then after what we will do, as you are looking, it is very easy to you how we will add these two like fraction. This is 18. That means in this type of question, how we will do it? This number you will write 1 plus 1 upon 18. 1 plus 1 upon 18. Okay. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 upon 18. 1 plus 1, 2 upon 18. Then after what we will do? 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. That means 1 upon 9. So required answer is 1 upon 9. This is the required answer for required question. Then after we will discuss about question number 2e. In question number 2e, 12 upon 15 minus 7 upon 15. 12 upon 15 minus 7 upon 15. How we will do it? As you are looking, these two fractions are like fraction. So we will apply the same procedure. This fraction you can write 12 minus 7 upon 15. 12 minus 7 upon 15. 12 minus 7, 5 upon 15. 5 upon 15. Okay. So 5 upon 15, after simplification we will do it. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. This is 1 upon 3. So required answer is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is required answer for required question. Again, your question 2i. Question number 2i. As you are looking, 3 minus 12 upon 5. 3 minus 12 upon 5. How you will do it? As you know very well, this is 3 and this is 12 upon 5. 3 we can write here 3 upon 1. Okay, 3 upon 1 means 3. So 3 we can write here 3 upon 1. And as you are looking in these two fraction, in first fraction denominator is 1. First fraction is, in first fraction denominator is 1. In second fraction denominator is 5. So what we will do? How can you do it? This is 1 denominator 1 and this is denominator 5. That means in this question we will do the same denominator. In this type of question, we will apply the same denominator. That means this is 1 and this is 5. It is very easy to you 1 converted to 5. So what we will do? In numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. 3 into 5 upon 1 into 5 minus 12 upon 5. 3 5 are 15. 15 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5. As you are looking, this is 15 upon 5 and this is 12 upon 5. That means denominators are same. So this is the like fraction. Okay. Then after we will apply the same procedure. This fraction we can write here 15 minus 12 upon 5. 15 minus 12 means 3 upon 5. So your required answer is 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is required answer for required question. Question number 3 is Shubham painted 2 upon 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1 upon 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? How we will do the question number 3? According to question, Shubham painted 2 upon 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1 upon 3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? That means in this question, first we will find out, according to question, wall space painted by Shubham. Solution is wall space painted by Shubham is 2 upon 3. Wall space painted by Shubham is 2 upon 3 and wall space painted by his sister is 1 upon 3. Okay. Question is saying how much did they paint together? How much did they paint together? So in this question what will you do? That means they will paint together is equal to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. They will paint together is equal to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. As you are looking in these two fraction, denominators are same. That is 3. So these two fractions are like fraction. Okay. Then after what we will do? 2 plus 1 upon 3. 2 plus 1 means 3, 3 upon 3. After cancellation you will get 1. That means they will paint the complete wall. They will paint the complete wall. Okay. So this is the required answer for required question. We will discuss about exercise 7.6. My dear student, exercise 7.6 depend on the addition and subtraction of unlike fraction. That means in these exercise what will you get? You will get the unlike fraction. Okay. In these type of exercise, in this exercise you will get the unlike fraction. And what you will do? Unlike fraction, first we will convert to like fraction. Okay. Then after we will take out the solution and answer. Suppose this is 2 upon 3 and this is 1 upon 7. As you are looking, in these two fraction, denominators are different. In these two fraction, denominators are different. That is 3 and that is 7. So, these two fractions are unlike fraction. Okay. Then after what we will do? What is your first step? That means first we will make the denominator equal. But what is the procedure? So first we will take out the LCM of 3 and 7. As you are looking, LCM of 3 and 7 is equal to, as you are looking, this is 3 and this is 7. 3 and 7 is prime number. So both number divided by itself. 3 1 ja 3, this is 7 and 7 1 ja 7. So what will you get? 3 into 7 is equal to 21. So LCM is 21. Okay. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Okay. Then after what we will do? In first fraction, denominator is 3 and this is 21. So what we will do? Denominator 3 converted to 21. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Okay. Then after what we will do? In first fraction, denominator is 3. So what we will do? Denominator 3 converted to 21. How? Look here. 2 upon 3. You know very well 3 converted to 21. How? That means 3 multiplied by 7. 3 7s are 21. So in numerator and denominator multiplied by 7. 2 7 ja 14, 3 7 ja 21. 2 7 ja 14 and 3 7 ja 21. Okay. Now this is 1 upon 7. How we will convert 7 to 21? You know very well 7 3s are 21. So in numerator and denominator multiplied by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 7 3 ja 21. Okay. Then after what will you do? This is 14 upon 21. This is 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 belongs to 14 upon 21. Okay. Then after this is plus. So I will take here plus. This is 1 upon 7. 1 upon 7 is equal to 3 upon 21. Okay. Then after what you are getting, this is 14 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21. As you are looking in these two fraction, denominators are same. In these two fraction, denominators are same. That means these two fractions are like fraction. In this question, what you are looking, your question is in unlike fraction. And first, what did you do? Unlike fraction converted to like fraction. Okay. So 14 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21. It will give to you 14 plus 3 upon 21. 14 plus 3 means 17 upon 21. That means your required answer is 17 upon 21. Your required answer is 17 upon 21. Okay. This is the required answer for required question. Your next question is, this is question number 1I. 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. As you are looking in these three fractions, all are unlike. Okay. All these three fractions are unlike fraction. First, what we will do? We will apply the same procedure. First, we will take out the LCM of 3, 4 and 2. So, LCM of 3, 4 and 2 will be, now look here, LCM of 3, 4 and 2. First I will take here 2. 3 is not divided by 2. So as it is 4 divided by 2, it will give to you 2, and 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Then after this is 2, 3 is not divided by 2. So there will be 3. 3 is not divided by 2. So as it is, I will take here 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, and this is 1. Then after 3 divided by 3, so you will get 1. Then after 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. That means LCM is 12. Okay. Then after what we will do? In first fraction 2 upon 3, as you are looking, the denominator is 3. In first fraction, denominator is 3. And what we will do? Denominator 3 converted to 12. Denominator 3 converted to 12. How? You know very well, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So, in numerator and denominator, multiplied by 4. 2 into 4 upon 3 into 4. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. Okay. Then after, in second fraction 3 upon 4, in 3 upon 4, denominator is 4 and LCM is 12. That means we will convert 4 to 12. So what will you do? 4 3s are 12. So in numerator and denominator multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Okay. Then after, this is 1 upon 2, and you know very well this is 2 and LCM is 12. That means 2 we will convert it to 12. What will you do? 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. That means in numerator and denominator. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 6. 6 1 is 6, 2 6 are 12. 6 1 is 6 and 2 6 are 12. Okay. Then after, as you are looking, 2 upon 3 is equal to 8 upon 12, 3 upon 4 is equal to 9 upon 12, and 1 upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 12. Then after what will you do? 2 upon 3 belongs to 8 upon 12 plus 3 upon 4 is belongs to 9 upon 12 plus 1 upon 2 belongs to 6 upon 12. As you are looking, 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12 plus 6 upon 12. That means in all these three fractions, denominators are same. All these three fractions are like fraction. That's why denominators are same. So what you are looking, your question is in the form of unlike fraction. Okay? And what is your first step? First you will take out the LCM of the denominator. Then after what we will do? Unlike fraction converted to like fraction by the help of LCM. Then after what we will do? It is very easy to you. How we will add these three fractions? 8 plus 9 plus 6 upon 12. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 6, 23. 23 upon 12. 8 plus 9, 17 plus 6, 23. 23 upon 12. This is the required answer. But keep in mind, this is 23 upon 12, okay? And 23 upon 12 is improper fraction. That means improper fraction we will convert it to mixed fraction. How? 23 divided by 12. 12 1 ja 12. 3 minus 2 1. 2 minus 1 1. So this is the improper fraction, and improper fraction we can write here mixed fraction. This fraction you can write 1 and 11 upon 12. 1 and 11 upon 12. Okay. This 1 is quotient, 11 is remainder, and 12 is divisor. So 23 upon 12 we can write here 1 and 11 upon 12. This is the required answer. This is the required answer for required question. Your question number 2 is Sarita bought 2 upon 5 meter of ribbon and Lalita 3 upon 4 meter of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? In this question, as you are looking, ribbon bought by Sarita is 2 upon 5 meter. Ribbon bought by Lalita is 3 upon 4 meter. Okay. In this question, we will find out total length of the ribbon. Total length of the ribbon they bought. So what we will do? Ribbon bought by Sarita is 2 upon 5 meter. And ribbon bought by Lalita is 3 upon 4 meter. So what will you do? Total length of the ribbon will be 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. Okay. Total length of the ribbon will be 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. As you are looking, these two fractions are unlike fraction. That's why denominators are different. First what we will do? First we will take out LCM of 5 and 4. So my dear student, LCM of 5 and 4 is equal to, you know very well, 2 2s are 4 and this is 2. 5 is not divided by 2, so as it is 2 1s are 2 and 5 1s are 5. As you are looking 2 into 2 into 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Okay. Then after what we will do? In first fraction denominator is 5. Okay. And what we will do? Denominator 5 converted to 20. How? Look here. You know very well 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So 2 upon 5 is equal to, in numerator and denominator, multiplied by 4. 2 4s are 8. 5 4s are 20. Okay. Then after this is 3 upon 4. Denominator 4 converted to 20. So what we will do? 3 multiplied by 5 and 4 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. Then after what will you do? We will add 8 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. As you are looking, this is 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 belongs to 8 upon 20 plus 3 upon 4. This is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 belongs to 15 upon 20. Then after what we will do? Eight upon 20 plus 15 upon 20. As you are looking, denominators are same. Denominators are same. This is 20. That means these two fractions are like fraction. Okay. So what will you do? These two fractions are like fraction. That's why denominators are same. That is 20. What will you do? 8 plus 15 upon 20. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 upon 20. This is the improper fraction. And improper fraction we can convert it to mixed fraction by the help of division. 21 is 20, remainder is 3. Quotient is 1, remainder is 3 and divisor is 20. That means 23 upon 20 we can write here 1 and 3 upon 20 meter. 1 and 3 upon 20 meter is total length of the ribbon bought by Sarita and Lalita. This is the required answer. 1 and 3 upon 20 meter is required answer for the required question. Your question number 6 is a piece of wire 7 upon 8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece was 1 upon 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? A piece of wire 7 upon 8 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece was 1 upon 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? My dear student, in this question, suppose AB. AB is the length of the wire. Okay? AB is the wire. AB is the wire. Okay? And total length of the wire AB is 7 upon 8 meter. Total length of the wire AB is 7 upon 8 meter. According to question, the wire AB divided into two pieces. Okay. First piece is AC and second piece is CB. In this question, total length of the wire is 7 upon 8 meter. Okay. And AC is the first piece of the wire and CB is the second piece of the wire. Then after what we will do, according to question, length of the first piece of wire is 1 upon 4 meter. In this question we will find out the length of the other piece of the wire. Length of the other piece of the wire is equal to, what will you get? That means total length of the wire minus first piece of the wire. So the length of the other piece of the wire is equal to 7 upon 8 minus 1 upon 4. What will you get? 7 upon 8 minus 1 upon 4. As you are looking, these two fractions are unlike fraction. Okay. And in this question, what we will do? Unlike fraction, we will convert it to like fraction. How? By the help of LCM. First we will take out LCM of 8 and 4. LCM of 8 and 4, both are even number. It is divisible by 2. 2 4 the 8 and 2 2 the 4. Again 4 and 2 divisible by 2. 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2. Then after this is 2, 2 1 the 2. So 2 into 2 into 2, it will give to you 8. LCM is 8. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. Okay. And what you are getting? This is 7 upon 8 and LCM is 8. So what will you do? In numerator and denominator multiplied by 1. 7 into 1 upon 8 into 1. 7 1 ja 7, 8 1 ja 8. Okay. Then after what we will do? This is 1 upon 4. This is 1 upon 4. And 4 we will convert it to 8. So what will you do? In numerator and denominator. In numerator and denominator multiplied by 2. 1 into 2 upon 4 into 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. Okay. So 7 upon 8 belongs to 7 upon 8 and 1 upon 4 belongs to 2 upon 8. Then after what will you get? 7 upon 8 belongs to 7 upon 8 minus 1 upon 4 belongs to 2 upon 8. Then after what you are getting? In these two fraction denominators are same, that is 8, and these two fractions are like fraction. Okay, so what will you do? We will apply the same procedure. 7 upon 8 minus 2 upon 8 is equal to 7 minus 2 upon 8. That means this is 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8 meter. 5 upon 8 meter is length of the other piece. That means 5 upon 8 meter is the length of the other piece. Means in this diagram, which is the other piece? Other piece of the wire is CB. Other piece of the wire is CB. Okay. So length of the other piece of the wire CB is 5 upon 8 meter. This is the required answer for required question. My dear students, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. I hope that it will be very useful to you. God bless you.